Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Let's discuss the market outlook for tomorrow. So on the screen you can see the spot market profile chart here. So the auction remained slow with a dull participation here as we expected in the previous session commentary. So there was no follow through about 25,849 and no attempt above or towards this reference of 26,090. So the market is still caught in like old businesses, right? Which means no clear decision making right now. If we see acceptance below 25,849 again, then I'm expecting some fresh long unwinding can come with fresh beginning. Okay, so stock participation remains mixed with no clear leadership right now. So it's a like typical sign of old businesses work. Okay, currently we are spending time in a newly marked balance here. I marked very early here 26,090, and on the downside 25,491 first, then stretched on the downside here 25,384 and 284, the sand line zone area. Okay, so any break below 25,609 in a short term or on the monthly expiry uh, framework, then I'm expecting a door open towards breaking lower reference and potential tagging level below 25,140 area. Okay, in the US market, sellers remain in control as we discussed earlier. So Friday's flat close doesn't change the broader picture here. Okay, more downside is likely with fast rotation, and in Bitcoin, continue to lead as we discussed. So pullback are simply part of the unwinding process. You know, in Bitcoin, the 88,000 area can be like remain a short term pullback reference. So the rest of the Bitcoin level remain unchanged. You will notice the accuracy of response at the same auction reference again and again. Like I uh, keep mentioning the same references in Bitcoin, in the crude, in the natural gas, or in the SPX as well. Okay, now coming to the options part, I will track new contract 25,600 call. So here most value forming around this reference of 453. So repulsion from this area can give direction for the monthly expiry. Okay, so watch the marked other references on the chart for the executions like 252 on the higher side, 584, and below this 252 we can expect on the downside is 90 area. Okay, in 26,200 put value has formed around this area 330 to 360. So okay, observe the opening auction here. Excess above 390 area favors long, and below 212 area writers can regain the confidence for the monthly expiry. Okay, in Sensex I'm tracking this strike 84,200 call. So value forming near 778 area right now. Okay, and here like above 950 long can take fresh control, and below 694 where already like price close almost below this strike. So we can expect like in this unwinding position writer can take advantage. So we need to check how the opening auction work. Okay, I will track 85,000 put. Okay, 449 where the price almost close into uh, this zone. Okay, so this will be key reference area. So holding above this can open a new price discovery. Okay, so and below 272 excess we can expect some responsive buyer or control shifting to writer depending on the quantity. So this is a live market work. I will track how the price action work here. Okay, so these are my observation for tomorrow and for the Sensex weekly expiry. So align your analysis with that and prepare your trade accordingly. So before closing, a reminder for all: if you are not maintaining a trading journal, then stop calling yourself a trader. So whether you are a part-time trader or the full-time trader, doesn't matter. So journaling is the core of a trader's growth. I tell all my students same thing: maintain your journal, review it every weekend, note your mistakes, and improve gradually. Okay, every trader is unique, guys. If you are trading in any segment, doesn't matter, you are a unique one. Just as a, like, we can say every trader is an artist. So every artist has their own style. So trading is no different. Okay, so I consider myself as an artist of the market. Okay, I decode all the instrument with the same system and helping trader build like clarity and the skills. So my goal is simple here: to see more traders become consistently profitable. Okay, so trade the context, ignore the noise, and keep refining your process.